Introducing a newly tooled GP9 Phase 2 model and HO scale from WalthersMainline. Modeling Phase 2 units rebuilt for improved forward visibility. Prototypical GP9s with a chop-short hood have been one of the most widely used diesels from the 1960s to today. Designed with considerable care and attention to detail, this new model features a scale-width hood with accurate contours, rolled-style handrails without a chain cutout, correct louver patterning down the long hood, 4 36-inch radiator fans along the roof, louvers on the battery box, and correct side sill shape and cutouts. This is an accurate-looking, great-running model at an affordable price. Models are available in either standard DC configuration or equipped with ESU sound and DCC equipment installed. Modelers interested in further detailing their units will enjoy the corresponding diesel detail kit, which provides 30 additional stainless steel parts. Each road number on this great new model is limited run, so get your pre-order in early to avoid missing out on this first batch of units. Available now as a result of considerable modeler demand, new HO scale 85-foot Bud Dome coaches from WalthersMainline are a fantastic way to complete trains for your favorite roads. Decorated in Santa Fe, Southern, Union Pacific Via, and Amtrak Phase 3, new Dome coaches are a perfect complement to the diners, coaches, baggage RPOs, and observation cars already available in the line. Modeled in the correct 85 scale foot length, these cars are expertly designed to handle curves as tight as 18-inch radius, making them excellent performers on most home or club layouts. With a detailed body, full interior, and tinted windows, these models look great in operation. Ever popular for adding realistic detail to contemporary layouts, new color schemes were just announced on HO scale SceneMaster International trucks. Modeling 4 different cabin body styles and multiple schemes, these trucks are great for adding activity to your layout at grade crossings, serving industries, or maintaining the landscape. They're easy additions with a realistic look. Add charm and personality to HO scale neighborhoods with the new Cornerstone updated American Bungalow kit. Typical of homes built in the 1900s and updated by their owners over time, bungalows pack a lot of artistic style and functionality into a tight space, making them easy additions to new or existing layouts. A sister model to the previously released Cornerstone American Bungalow kit, this new kit features an upgraded enclosed porch and 2 optional roof dormers along with a single-car garage with interior framing. That same garage is also available in a 2-pack kit, providing an easy upgrade to any older home on your layout. These great-looking models join a growing roster of over a dozen Cornerstone House kits to choose from.